Hello, Alexander Kuhn Manga here, and today I'll be doing a unboxing of Chainsaw Man figure. Definitely really happy to get this guy in my collection. I do want to get Izuku Midoriya. That would be fun to get. But yeah, I got this one at Ross. Yeah. Let me grab one of my mini knives. Yeah. I do have the manga. I do want to finish it or get the rest of the volumes. Don't have yet. But yeah. Since these guys are so cheap. Oh, there's this. I'm not sure what this piece is. Just for different faces. The stand. Shit. The hands, the opposite hands. Okay. Definitely really cool. Got the head piece. Comes with a stand. I'll show you the accessories later. But yeah, definitely really cool to have a figure like this. Amazing detail. But yeah, here's the face. But yeah. Let's show you the other faces. Or the heads. So the two closed fists. Okay, yeah, it should be like that. With blood on it. That's cool. And open mouth head sculpt with blood on it. And the extra face. Actually, yeah. Two heads. I actually will be putting the face on. The cleaner head sculpt. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be hard. So let's do the head. So that head can go that far forward, that far back, side to side, full rotation, swivel at the arms, that far forward, that far back, full rotation, all the way around, side to side up here, twist, double arm bend, no hand movement, ab crunch, twist, full rotation, leg, front, back, a lot more if you do it down. But yeah, double knee bend, ankle, side to side. But yeah, let's get into changing to what I'm gonna have this one to be exactly. Oh shit. Okay, so the other hands, the closed hands. So yeah, these are a bitch to put on. It's very tight, but yeah. Here's the other head with the less blood. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.